Just getting ready for work, nothing fancy, just my usual routine, some skincare, and a simple outfit. Day by day, I'm falling in love with my lip combo. It's so pretty and on point. I have been struggling to create videos for a long time, but this is me starting again, learning, growing, one step at a time. India okay, Anna? I reached the office and it's time for some breakfast. Lately, I have suddenly fallen in love with upma, so of course, I ordered it. I am done for the day, time to head back and unwind.